Blackout polymer clay is an amazing product of Kato Polyclay. It allows us to use our scrap clay in ways it was never possible before. I start conditioning the Blackout. It's soft and easy to condition. It does stain though. It is noted on the manufacturer's recommendations on the package. The recommended blend by the manufacturer is start with 1 part Blackout to 8 parts scrap clay. If it's not black enough, add a bit more Blackout. I will go straight to 2 parts Blackout for 10 parts scrap clay. I want my clay to be really black. Beautiful and silky. Now let's make our switch plate. I am using a metal one as baking base. Will not remove the clay after baking. Choose a texture. Any texture you like that would look good as antique silver. Spray a bit of Armor All on the clay. Press real good on the texture. And voila, a nice texture for my switch plate. Place the textured clay on the plate and cut the excess. It's easy to find the ends of the switch plate. Refine the cuts. Flip the plate around and gently bend the clay over the edges. Trim the excess using your rigid blade. Refine the edges with your roller. Do the final fine trimming. Use a toothpick to define the hole for the switch button and for the screws. I will be using Art Alchemy's antique silver wax, but you can use perfect pearls or even silver acrylic paint. Bake at 325 Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. If you used wax, buff with a fine chiffon or chamois cloth. If you used silver acrylic or Pearlex mica powder, you will have to apply a layer of protective varnish. And there you go, a beautiful faux antique silver switch plate.